Hey guys, it's Nathan from Cruising Oz. As you see here, this is my Land Cruiser build. It's been going on for a little bit now, sort of just been postponed, just various things and just ordering parts, but yeah, I'm finally into it. So right here, let me turn the camera around. This is the 80 series chassis. I've got my 40 series cab going on, so you probably haven't seen that in a while. It hasn't been on the road for about a year and a half, I think. So cut all the 80 series mounts off. Got all these mounts here, that one, tray mounts at the back from McKinnon's Cruisers. I just cut the old 80 series ones off, tacked all these ones in place, so put the body on and off way too many times. And then I got a certified welder to weld it up for me. I've also flipped this front cross member, so that normally sat back about here somewhere and it was the other way around. And then yeah, motor mounts have been moved, modified gearbox cross member, and yeah, just tray mount. So got all that sandblasted and primed. I just painted it myself. That's just today, so I've only just stopped doing that. Been a bit of a wet weather day here, so hasn't been the best to film because you can't hear shit in this shed. Yeah, here's all the diffs. Don't worry, they are going to get rebuilt. So I just sort of slapped paint on it. I just put knuckles off that one just to make it a bit easier. Yeah, I've got a full kit to rebuild everything. So yeah, there's all the arms. So that's pretty much it. 40 series going on 80 series chassis. So I'll try and film a bit more. Obviously, you missed a fair bit of the crucial bit, but I'll put some photos and videos in of what I can find on my phone. There's some Snapchat, shit like that. So yeah, but all the diffs should be going back under this tomorrow. We're in lockdown again, so can't really get grease and that to rebuild the hubs, but I'll get there. Catch you guys, bye. Hey guys, it's the next day. Got all the diffs back under the chassis. As you can see behind me, I've just got a little problem. I'll turn around now. The joys of working by yourself a lot of the time. Just trying to get the engine gearbox in the trailer, and the old ground's a little soft and she wanted to tumble over, so she's full off the ground back here. So good old safety strap on her there. We should be right now. So get that back to the old man's work where I'm putting the car back together. And give her a little clean up and a bit of paint, and she should be good. So I'll keep you updated. Got it on the trailer alright. It's not strapped to vest, but I didn't have to go too far. That's the chassis there, and so soon enough that will be in there, which will be awesome. So just need to give this a good wash. It's just caked in mud and other shit, so a little clean and a touch of paint and it should look good. So yeah, and yeah, that's my old man's Cruiser there. So half my parts are on it. My old bull bar, my 35s. It's got my old 2H and 2H turbo and 5-speed in it. So he got all the goodies just because I'm doing a swap. So he got pretty lucky out of it. All right, I'll catch you later. Hey guys, so it's the next weekend. Just here pressing out all the studs of the hubs, replacing all them because some of them got pretty crappy threads. So doing that, so it's diff rebuild weekend, which is gonna suck, but oh well. Just recording here to start with because this is at my house. Once I go to my old man's, you're probably not going to be able to hear me because it's quite a loud shed. It's been piss and rain. It's going to continue to piss rain. So yeah, just enjoy the video. Be a few time lapses hopefully, and hopefully I'll have the chassis all rolling today, which will be good. So catch you later. So this is the engine I'm going to be running. This is Warren said. Unknown condition. I was told I had about 350,000 Ks on it, so it's just got a bit of a slap paint job on it. So don't look too closely, pretty much. H55F, so it's a gearbox out of a 75 series, a bit smaller than the 80 series one. And I was going to show you how to remove the spidget bearing, which is this bearing right here. It goes in the end of your crank gear. It's already been done for me, which is nice, but the trick I was always shown is get bread, that's in there, feed bread in that hole there, and you just keep punching it in, all the pressure of the bread. You probably go through like 5 slices or something like that in there, it pushes it out. That's the trick there. So while I'm here, I'll remove this rear main. Got a genuine one here, so I'll chuck that in. And then yeah, that motor can pretty much go in. Just got to tidy up the box a bit more. It's had a couple of pressure washers, but it's just still all fucking gunky, so give her a wire brush and a lick of paint and she'll be good as new. Change the output shaft seal, because that one's leaking. And yeah, this motor hopefully might be in today if I get my arse into gear. So I'll show you then. So this is where we got up to, just missing a few parts. That hub over there, where is it? That's up behind that. It's all spins in there, that's not good. So that's got to get replaced, and we're missing a pin over there. So that's where we're up to now.